a.m. We'll be waiting to see who comes out as the winner of the 4th edition. Now, still in athletics, World AIDS Day Marathon is set to take place tomorrow in Nairobi, starting at the Nyayo Stadium. The event aims to raise awareness and share key statistics in the fight against HIV.
Within our statistics as a HIV program, National Syndemic Control Diseases Council is mandated to coordinate all stakeholders in relation to prevention and treatment of HIV and other syndemic diseases. The statistics that we have in the world is at least in three women. One of them has been affected and or engaged on a component of GBV. So from our end, 41% of our new HIV infections is emanating from the young ones, and to be precise, 56 or 59 we can confirm is emanating from the age of 15 to 24. That's a very young age.
The routes which will be covered will be from Nyayo to Uhuru Highway, Kenyatta Avenue, Wabera Street, Haile Selassie Avenue, Upper Hill Hospital Road, Bunyala. The affected road shall be closed on 29th, that is Saturday, at midnight, up to the following day, that is 30th November 2025.
If you're in Nairobi, prepare for